here. I am in Wig Designs now in Kormangala branch. I was introduced by one of my friend, Miss Dhanalakshmi, and she gave me the solution for my hair treatment. Before that, I had been to a couple of places where I was not getting a good treatment, and I met Mr. Santosh, who guided me towards this non-surgical treatment. Hi friends, welcome back again. You can see the transformation, how it was and how I am now. I'm feeling that as though I have a natural hair in my head. I'm not feeling that I'm wearing any system on my head. It looks so tremendous. Now I'm feeling very excited to go and walk out, how the people look and how they react. And it's building me a very good confident level, and it's building my booster. I would recommend everyone who has this problem to come and take a solution from WTI, and it's a wonderful product. You will not feel that you are wearing some system or something else. It looks very natural and very comfortable, and I'm very comfortable wearing this. Again and again, thanks to WTI, I would recommend everyone to come and see. That's it. Thank you.